Look at that. Looks better, right? Alright, welcome to the channel. Got a package in the mail. A couple weeks ago, a company, Starknight MT, contacted me. Wanted to know if I'd be interested in doing a review for them. I have purchased products from them before. My hand guards on my Road Glide came from Starknight. So they contacted me, wanted to know if I'd be interested in doing a review for them. So they sent me a pair of MD PRO MCP black saddlebag latch levers. They fit all touring models from 2014 and up. Touring models, that'll be your Road Glides, your Ultras, your Street Glides, and they also fit your Tri-Glides and stuff like that. And your Road Kings with the saddlebags. They're made out of aluminum with a black anodized finish. The link will be in the description below. You can get them from Amazon. And let's open them up and see what they look like. And then I will install them on the bike and show you that. Alright. So what's in the package? There's no instructions, but it's self-explanatory. You got a couple rubber O-rings, a couple washers, and a couple screws. They look pretty nice. So I have a 2021 Road Glide, Harley Davidson Road Glide Limited, the blacked out version. But guess what? These saddlebag latches are chrome on the bike. They blacked out everything else besides saddlebag latches, the kickstand, and your push rod tubes and tappet blocks. Everything else is blacked out. But these look pretty good. We'll see how easy they are to come off, take off and put on, and see what they look like on the bike. Okay, I have everything laid out. You got your latch, you got your screw, you got your rubber grommet, and you got a flat washer. The screw is a 2.5 millimeter. Okay, like I said, as you can see, my bike is blacked out on my Road Glide. Alright, so here we are. Chrome. So I'm going to change these out with the black ones that Starknight sent me. Alright, so I don't know if you could see, but this is the screw I got to take out right here on the inside of my lid. Alright, it's for the latch. Okay, I'm going to be taking that screw out and then I'll replace it. Alright, to take off the Harley ones, it's a T15. Okay, I got the screw out of the back. You're supposed to just be able to pull this straight up and out. Alright. This has a washer on it. Rubber. Alright. Came right up. But as you can see, I may try to use this one because it's a little thicker, I think. But if you look down in there, these have, a flat spot, and it can only go in one way. Now here's the original screw compared to that screw. So I got to use the new screw because the new screws are thinner. Here is the new rubber grommet, and here is the original. I'm going to try to use the original because it's a thicker. All right. And these come with a washer, so I'm going to put the washer on. See about putting this back in here. There. Alright, putting the new screw in with the washer. Like I said, the old screw was too thick. And that used a T15, and the new screw uses a 2.5 millimeter Allen. Alright, let's see if it latches. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it. Oh, it's loosening the way up. You know what? I probably should put some Loctite on there. What do you think? Trying it again here. Put some blue Loctite on. All right. All right, so I'll do the other side and show you what it looks like afterward. So the originals, chrome ones, they're heavier metal. So the new ones are aluminum. So you just got to be careful. Tighten them up, okay? All right, got them all on. I got them both on. So, look at that. Looks better, right? Than the chrome. Yeah. Go over to the other side. Boom. Worked pretty good. There. I like them. I installed the new black anodized saddlebag levers that I got from Starknight MT. Link will be in the description below. Like I said, you might want to use the original stock rubber grommet on there to make it a little bit more watertight, but they look nice. We'll see how long they last. They're made out of aluminum, easy to install. So you just take out the screw and put in and pull the latch straight out and replace the latch with the new one and put their screw in. Looks better than the chrome. I'd like to thank Starknight for sending these to me. Like I said before, link will be in the description below. And like always, give a thumbs up, comment, what do you think about those? And hit the subscribe button. And we'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.